I'm done. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another... Oh, my flash is on. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, it's your boy, Blueberry Boy, back here with another... I just made 2 introductions at the same time. It's very odd. But it's your boy, Blueberry Boy, back here with another video. I am here in the bathroom. I'm trying to see if my camera... Hold on. Okay, so you can see me good like that. Yeah, guys, so I am back here, in my house. Yes. So, as you can tell by the, hold on, what would the title be? Tell by the title that USS Marine thing. I had nothing else to do. I just named it that, or maybe I'll name it something else. I don't know. Wanted to start off the vlog today. I will film when I get there. So yeah, this vlog is gonna probably be like 7, 8, 6 minutes long. Okay, so that's all I wanted to say. Okay, I'll see y'all later. And like, actually, I'll see you right now. Okay, guys, we are here at the Neen Cent store with my dad. I'm gonna embarrass him horribly, and I don't care. I don't know if I'm allowed to film in here, so I might get kicked out. So far, nothing too bad. Nothing too big yet. Just, okay, I lost him. Where'd he go? What? Oh, the ones, oh, they're over here. Let's get down, embarrassing him. That's gonna be funny. That man was, his underwear was showing. What is this? Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna zoom in.
Dude, come on, we gotta go.
Alright, I'm looking for it. Over here, over here. Or, no, this isn't it. Oh, here.
Here's ladies.
This man's underwear showing. Here's Lace. Okay, I did get to do that much reason. Look at this man. Why is there underwear down? Okay, if they find this video and they sue me, I'm sorry, very sorry, sir. Okay. Okay, I'm definitely not allowed to film in here, so this isn't very good. Okay, bye-bye. Hello, everybody. I just wanted to make sure you all had a very safe... I'm sorry, sir. Make sure you all had a very safe flight. Did you all have a very safe flight? No? Okay, bye-bye.
What's good?
Okay, what's good? That was easy. This pigeon. Look at this pigeon. Oh, there's a nuda pigeon. Look at this pigeon. That is me. That is me. Now I'm gonna film more of that pigeon. This pigeon.
He's okay, hopefully.
You good, bro? You need some milk, my man. This man is not good. Alright. What is up, guys? It is later in the day. It is 5:35. I started this vlog early in the morning, about 8, and now I think it is time to wrap up this video. Guys, it was a great vlog today. Nice, beautiful vlog this beautiful Sunday morning here in San Clemente. I thought I should just vlog it a little bit. So yeah, I just wanted to do that, and yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. And there's just one more thing to say. Hold on. Subscribe and hit that Wait, no. Subscribe and hit that like button. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.